What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best hand warmer on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Hot Hands Hand Warmers. When it comes to keeping your hands toasty during chilly outdoor adventures, Hot Hands Hand Warmers reign supreme. Offering an impressive combination of prolonged heat time, compact size, and affordable pricing, these little wonders are a must-have for any winter enthusiast. Whether you're hitting the ski slopes or embarking on a long hike, Hot Hands Hand Warmers are the perfect companion to tuck into your mittens or pockets, ensuring a cozy experience all day long. One of the standout features of Hot Hands Hand Warmers is their exceptional heat retention. With an average temperature of around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, these handy warmers provide up to a whopping 10 hours of continuous warmth. You can trust that they'll keep you comfortable and protected against the cold, no matter how long your outdoor escapades may last. Don't just take our word for it, experts agree that Hot Hands Hand Warmers are a cut above the rest. One avid backcountry skier, climber, and hiker who has tried numerous brands of disposable hand warmers attest, these are by far the hottest and longest-lasting hand warmers I've ever used. They have become an essential part of my cold weather gear, and I always make sure to have at least one pair in my pack. Another notable advantage of Hot Hands Hand Warmers is their convenience in situations where recharging batteries is not an option, such as camping trips. When you're out in the wilderness, away from power sources, these reliable hand warmers become an invaluable asset, ensuring your hands stay warm and nimble even in the most remote locations. Hot Hands Hand Warmers are the ultimate solution for keeping your hands comfortably warm during outdoor activities. With their impressive heat retention, compact size, and budget-friendly pricing, they outshine their competitors in both performance and value. So, the next time you head out into the cold, don't forget to pack Hot Hands Hand Warmers and experience the joy of unwavering warmth throughout your adventures. Number 2. Akupa 10,000 mAh Electric Hand Warmer. When it comes to combating the cold and keeping your hands toasty, Akupa's rechargeable hand warmer takes the lead with its user-friendly design and impressive heating capabilities. With an exceptional heat duration ranging from 8 to 15 hours, depending on your chosen heat setting and the outdoor temperature, this hand warmer is a reliable companion for prolonged warmth throughout the day. The key to its exceptional performance lies in its double-sided heat source. You have the flexibility to hold one warmer in each hand for ultimate comfort or switch between hands to experience a continuous and soothing warmth that lasts. No matter the conditions, Akupa's hand warmer ensures that your hands stay cozy and comfortable during all your outdoor activities. One of the standout features of this hand warmer is its quick charging time. Within a mere 4 hours, it reaches full battery capacity, ready to provide you with hours of warmth. Not only that, but this versatile device goes beyond hand warming capabilities. It can also charge your phone. With Akupa's hand warmer by your side, you won't have to worry about your phone running out of battery during your adventures. Weighing in at a mere 7 ounces, this hand warmer is incredibly lightweight, making it effortless to carry with you while exercising or engaging in any outdoor pursuits. However, it's important to note that its size may not fit standard running gloves or mittens. Instead, you can conveniently store it in a jacket or pants pocket, ensuring easy access whenever you need a boost of warmth. Akupa's rechargeable hand warmer is a remarkable choice for maintaining cozy and comfortable hands throughout the day. With its user-friendly features, extended heat duration, and the bonus of phone charging capabilities, it surpasses expectations. Whether you're embarking on an outdoor adventure or simply braving the cold weather, Akupa's hand warmer is the perfect companion to keep you snug and content. Number 3. FVSA Rechargeable Hand Warmer. If you're in search of an electric hand warmer that combines functionality and style, look no further than FVSA's Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Available in sleek black, vibrant green, or elegant rose gold, this hand warmer not only keeps your hands cozy, but also adds a touch of flair to your outdoor adventures. With its illuminating border that can light up in 7 different colors, you'll enjoy enhanced safety during low-light conditions while walking or running. One of the standout features of this hand warmer is its convenient front display. It provides you with essential information, including the current heat setting and battery life, ensuring that you are always informed and prepared. Say goodbye to surprises and uncertainty. Know exactly when it's time to recharge and when to expect the soothing warmth. When it comes to heat duration, FVSA's rechargeable hand warmer takes the lead. On its lowest setting, this dual-sided hand warmer can provide up to an impressive 18 hours of continuous heat. It surpasses all others on the market in terms of longevity, ensuring that your hands stay cozy for extended periods. Additionally, this versatile device goes beyond hand warming. It can also charge your phone or other devices, providing an extra layer of convenience. It's important to note that while FSVA's rechargeable hand warmer offers exceptional performance, it may not be as durable as some other options. To ensure its longevity, it's advisable to keep it protected in a pocket or a safe place when not in use. By taking this simple precaution, you can enjoy the benefits of this stylish and functional hand warmer for a long time to come. In conclusion, FSVA's rechargeable hand warmer offers a winning combination of warmth, style, and functionality. With its vibrant color options, illuminating border for added safety, and informative front display, it's a standout choice for those seeking both practicality and aesthetics. Plus, with its remarkable heat duration and the ability to charge devices, it goes above and beyond expectations. Just remember to keep it well protected to ensure its longevity. Say goodbye to chilly hands and embrace the warmth and convenience provided by FSVA's rechargeable hand warmer. Number 4. Survival Frog Rechargeable Hand Warmer. When it comes to conquering the cold, size doesn't always matter. Standing at a mere 2 inches long, the rechargeable hand warmer from Survival Frog is a true testament to that. Designed to fit snugly in the palm of your hand or slip seamlessly into any pocket, this little dynamo is ready to take on the chill and keep you warm wherever you go. But don't be fooled by its diminutive stature. This compact wonder packs an impressive punch. With its innovative double-sided heating technology, the Survival Frog rechargeable hand warmer delivers a reliable source of heat for a duration of 2 to 4 hours. That's ample time to keep you cozy during your outdoor adventures, be it a brisk jog or an invigorating trail run. Say goodbye to numb fingers and shivers down your spine, because this pocket-sized powerhouse has got your back. What sets this hand warmer apart from the competition is its dual functionality. In addition to providing a steady stream of comforting warmth, it also doubles as a portable device charger. Now, fitness enthusiasts and avid runners can stay connected and powered up during their workouts. No more worrying about your phone's battery life draining as you conquer mile after mile. With the Survival Frog rechargeable hand warmer by your side, you can have both warmth and connectivity at your fingertips. Affordability is another key advantage of this innovative device. Survival Frog has made sure that the price tag remains budget-friendly, ensuring that anyone can experience the luxury of a warm companion during their cold weather escapades. Number 5. Zippo Heatbank Rechargeable Hand Warmer. When it comes to combating the chill and keeping your hands toasty warm during your outdoor expeditions, Zippo's Heatbank Rechargeable Hand Warmer reigns supreme. This cutting-edge device not only boasts a sleek and modern design, but also offers a plethora of features that will revolutionize your cold weather experiences. The Heatbank hand warmer is its impressive 6 temperature settings. This remarkable versatility allows you to fine-tune the warmth according to your preferences and the prevailing weather conditions. Whether you find yourself hiking on snowy trails, embarking on a camping trip, or simply enjoying a stroll in the winter wonderland, this hand warmer ensures that you have the perfect level of heat to keep your hands cozy and comfortable. But the Heatbank hand warmer doesn't stop there. Its exceptional battery life sets it apart from the competition. With a remarkable endurance of up to 9 hours on lower settings, this device will keep you warm throughout the day, without the need for frequent recharging. Whether you're conquering an arduous hiking trail or engaging in thrilling winter sports, you can trust the Heatbank hand warmer to provide consistent and long-lasting heat. What makes this hand warmer truly remarkable is its dual-sided heating capability. This innovative design allows you to warm both hands simultaneously, enveloping them in a soothing blanket of warmth. Alternatively, you can slide it into your pocket, keeping it close to your body for an additional source of heat. Embrace the freedom to move unhindered while ensuring that your hands remain comfortably warm, no matter the outdoor activity you choose. But wait, there's more. The Heatbank hand warmer doubles as a convenient power bank, allowing you to charge your essential devices on the go. While venturing into the great outdoors, you can rest assured that your cell phone or other electronic gadgets won't run out of battery. Stay connected, capture breathtaking moments, and navigate your way through unfamiliar terrains without the worry of power depletion. However, it's important to note that the hand warmer cannot be used while simultaneously charging a device. While the Heatbank hand warmer may be relatively larger compared to some other options on the market, its size perfectly balances functionality and portability. Slip it effortlessly into your jacket pocket and you're good to go. Unfortunately, it may not fit inside gloves, but fear not, Zippo has your convenience in mind. The hand warmer comes complete with a convenient lanyard, allowing you to wear it comfortably around your neck. Accessible and practical, the Heatbank hand warmer is designed to seamlessly integrate into your outdoor gear ensemble. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.